Hey guys, Dr. Adam Sewell here, and I just want to show you a high-level overview of what Click Practice does. Basically, Click Practice is a system that came out of years of working in basically building different medical practices of different types and trying to get all the stuff that happens from the marketing side into the actual practice side. So basically, it's built for professionals like yourself to make life easier and to make their practices run better. Basically, it has 10 steps that are really critical. It can do a lot more than 10 things, but these 10 things are all proven to increase your income and increase how much your practice grows. Number one, it has a system of unified messaging. One of the most frustrating things that can happen to a medical spa owner is that you have people that are sending you Instagram direct messages, you have people that are sending you Facebook messages, maybe they're emailing you, they're texting you. You have all this communication spread all over. It's extremely confusing because you're trying to remember who did what, when, and trying to correlate which patient is this belong to, and it can get really, really confusing very, very fast. So first thing that Click Practice does is organize all your communication by patient in the system. So for example, it can connect your Facebook, your Instagram, your email, your text message all together in one place. You can see every interaction you had with a patient all at once in one screen. Number two, it allows you to basically put a little widget or a little box on your website that allows people to click on it and send you a message directly. And what this does is this increases the amount of people that go from the people that are like looking at your website to people that are saying like, hey, I'm really interested in what you have. So by having this little widget, what that does is it allows them to reach out to you, and in the process, you're able to capture their cell phone number so that you can reply back to them when you have time and reach out to them. Number three, it integrates directly with Google My Business. The more that you're integrated with Google, the better you'll do in terms of search engine results, right? So Google is a huge search engine. It's the #1 search engine in the world. Google also basically runs majority of the cell phones in the world. If anyone has an Android phone, that's made by Google. By default, all the Android phones search Google. So if someone is searching on their phone for something, it is automatically going through the Google system if they have an Android. So basically, the more you're integrated into Google My Business, the better you rank, the more it is easy for customers to find you. There's even ways that the people can send messages through Google directly into Click Practice, so you can talk to them directly. It makes it easy and seamless. Number four, Click Practice has the ability to have its own phone number so that you can actually do, if someone calls you, not only does it record the call so you can hear it later, but also it allows, if you can't answer the phone, it allows you to text them right back and automatically send them a text message, and even have the ability to answer common questions automatically for you just by that system. So for example, if someone is on their way, maybe you're treating somebody and they call in, but you can't answer the phone because you're in the middle of a treatment, and they need to know the directions on how to get there. Well, the Click Practice can do that for you automatically. Number five is it can automate your reputation management. Having good reviews is really critical. Sometimes asking for reviews can be a little embarrassing, kind of weird. So what this does is it does all the work for you. If someone comes and sees you, it will automatically ask them how their visit was. And if it was a really good visit, it will ask them to leave you a positive review on Google, and then it will capture that review and show it on your website. Number six, it allows you to activate easy money collection. It allows you to basically collect money through SMS or text message, as well as email. It makes it so much easier than having people go to some website to fill stuff out. You'll notice it's so much easier to get people to pay you for things, etc. Makes their life easier, makes your life easier. Also, number seven, it allows you to send out email broadcasts. So if you need to have a newsletter for your company, you need to have communications about a new special or new things you may offer, automatically, easily done with a few clicks. You can send that out to everybody. You don't have to deal with MailChimp or Aweber or any of this kind of stuff. You don't have to figure out how to integrate all the stuff, all done for you. Number eight, it automatically allows you to send frequently asked questions and educate patients about new procedures and technologies. This is really critical because a lot of times the more information that you can provide people before they get to your office, the more those people are optimized so the time you spend in the office is actually the most productive time for you and for them. So that way you have people that show up, they already know what they want, they already know, they've answered all the questions about it, and they're ready to basically get the procedure and move forward, rather than you spending time booking 45-minute consultation sessions to answer questions and then having to book another time to do the procedure. Number 9 is it allows you to expand your digital footprint, allows your practice to be seen all over the internet. So it has one unified face, one unified address, one unified phone number, so it makes it easy for people to get in contact with you. They're not finding your practice in a different area with the wrong address or wrong phone number and they can't reach you. It all works together. And number 10, it allows you to connect directly to social media and allows social media to be integrated into your practice. So it's so easy that if someone wants to find you, maybe they see it before and after you posted on Instagram, they can click and immediately go to book a new session with you. Or if they want to book a time to get more information, or if they want to be able to send you a message, all that's done automatically through ClickPractice. So this is just a high-level view of the power of ClickPractice. It's been a long time in the creation. I think you'll find that it's very, very useful for your practice.